Where is the headquarters of SAARC located? Answer: Kathmandu. What is the name of the National Intelligence Agency of Israel? Answer: Mossad. Which is the tallest building in the world? Answer: Burj Khalifa, Dubai. Which country has the longest overland tunnel? Answer: Switzerland. What is the currency of Saudi Arabia? Answer: Riyal. Which country is also known as the land of the Golden Pagoda? Answer: Myanmar. Which country is known as the sugar ball of the world? Answer: Cuba. Which country is the largest producer of mica? Answer: China. Which country has the largest reserves of oil? Answer: Venezuela. Which is the largest castor oil produced in the world? Answer: India. Which continent is called the White Continent? Answer: Antarctica. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? Answer: Japan. What is the alternative name of Japan? Answer: Nippon. Which is the smallest country in the world? Answer: Vatican City. Who is the first woman to climb Mount Everest? Answer: Junko Tabei. Which is the longest railway platform in the world? Answer: Hubli Junction, Karnataka. Which is the largest desert in the world? Answer: Antarctic Desert. Which is the tallest statue in the world? Answer: Statue of Unity. Which country has the largest number of immigrant population? Answer: United States. Which nation has the largest cattle inventory in the world? Answer: India. In which country is the Suez Canal located? Answer: Egypt. In which country is also known as the land of tulips? Answer: Netherlands. Which is the largest tropical rainforest in the world? Answer: Amazon rainforest. The world's longest straight road without any corners is located. Answer: Saudi Arabia. In which country Yellowstone National Park is located? Answer: United States of America. The emu bird is found in which country? Answer: Australia. Which country has the highest number of time zones? Answer: France. Which country has the most number of lakes? Answer: Canada. Which is the highest oil export country in the world? Answer: Saudi Arabia. Where is the headquarters of Google located? Answer: California. The total number of continents in the world. Answer: 7 continents. Total number of oceans in the world. Answer: 5 oceans. Which country was gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States of America in 1886? Answer: France. Which country is also known as the land of the midnight sun? Answer: Norway. Which country is known as the playground of Europe? Answer: Switzerland. Which country is also known as the land of the rising sun? Answer: Japan. Which country is also known as the land of thousand lakes? Answer: Finland. In which country white elephant is found? Answer: Thailand. Which continent has the highest number of countries? Answer: Africa. Which country is the largest producer of coffee in the world? Answer: Brazil. Which phone company used the Android application for the first time? Answer: HTC. Which is the longest river in Europe? Answer: Volga River. Which is the longest river in America? Answer: Missouri River. The Vietnam War ended in the year. Answer: 1975. Which country has the highest number of internet users in the world? Answer: China. Which country first introduced the bullet trains? Answer: Japan. Which country has the largest Muslim population in the world? Answer: Indonesia. Which is the highest mountain in Japan? Answer: Mount Fuji. Which is the largest lake in the world? Answer: Caspian Sea. Which continent is known as the Dark Continent? Answer: Africa.